Cord cutting is not just about saving money on TV, it can also be about saving money on your home phone. Often you hear these, oh, if you bundle your home phone, internet, and TV all into one, you can save a lot of money. What they don't tell you is there's a lot of other cheaper options out there, especially when it comes to phone service. A lot of VoIP services have jumped up recently, and one of the more interesting ones a lot of our readers have told us about, and the company itself reached out to us, is the OBi200. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, OBi200, Obi. It is a little VoIP service. You connect this device to your internet, you connect to your phone, and then you log in with your Google phone account. So you can use Google's voice system to actually make phone calls far cheaper than you can with pretty much any other service out there. So let's take a look, do a little unboxing right here. I'll come back, tell you how I think it works after I've tested it out, but let's take a look at what comes with it. Right off the bat, this is how it comes. There's not a lot to it. This is the actual device itself. No emergency calls. You have to sign up first at this phone, at this address right here. See if it will zoom in on that. There we go. To get that. Now many of these services like the OBi and so forth, once you register, you can enter your home address, etc., and enable 911 calling. So I will check and make sure that's available there. This is a great little one. You see it has the Google Voice logo on the front of it. On the back of it is just an internet jack, a phone jack, and a USB port along with the power. That's it. That's all you need. Let's take a look at this right here. So right here is the power plug. And right here is the Ethernet cable. That's it. That's everything that comes with it. Really not a lot to say about the device itself. As you can see, it's just a little gray and black box. Pretty straightforward. I will now go test this out, put it all together, sign up for the service, and let you know how I think it works. So I'm now in my office. I've been testing out the Orbi for a little while now, and I've been impressed. A few things. Setup took maybe 4 or 5 minutes, max 5 minutes. I used my Google account to create an account, log in. I was able to just plug this into my internet, plug it into my phone, done. It auto-detected it. During the sign-up process, it says, hey, pick up your phone, type this into your phone, and within a matter of minutes, my OBi200 was connected to their system, and I was all set. It works really well. Let me quickly. There we go. There I have my phone. It's working. It called my cell phone. So there you go, that easy. A couple things to remember, there is no 911. And that's more of an issue with Google's phone system not supporting 911, where if you call 911, the call will of course go through, it just won't be able to show them where you're located. Keep that in mind. Now, it does say you can use a paid service to access 911 or have another device out there. So this may be a great second line, or maybe just for a phone line that people don't care about getting 911 access. If you have your cell phone, you plan to use your cell phone for 911 access. The downside with those other plans, like the Orbi, is they're great, they're feature rich, they're within the same rough ballpark as this device in pricing, but there is a small monthly fee to access 911, etc. Overall, if you're looking for a free, in this case, home phone, just to have it there, this is excellent. If 911 is important to you, you're going to want to look at one of their paid options, or maybe the OBi is another great option I recommend that includes 911 access. Beyond that, hey, 2 thumbs up, simple setup, affordable price, easy connection to my Google phone voice, whatever you want to call it, account. Past that, everything was all set. No problems, no issues. Questions, comments, let me know. Check this out. I'll also link to my review down below in the show notes if you want to read a written part of this review, or if you want to find this on Amazon, check it out in the show notes down below. So questions, comments, let me know.